Imagine waking up every morning with an AI assistant that already understands your goals, your projects, your notes, and helps you decide what to focus on next. The crazy part? You can build this yourself today for free. No coding, no expensive software, no complicated setup. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own personal AI assistant using 3 powerful free tools that work together. Let's get started. Welcome back to the AI Edge, your unfair advantage in the age of AI. Today we're building something practical. Not just another list of AI tools. We're creating a complete AI system that can help you organize your life, improve your productivity, write faster, research smarter, and think through ideas. So save this video, follow along, and by the end, you'll have your own AI assistant setup ready to use. Before we start, let me show you what this AI assistant will do. It will help you find information from your own documents and notes. It will help you write emails, content, and plans. It will help you organize your tasks and goals. It will help you research topics and summarize information. And the best part? You can build this using free tools available right now. We'll use 3 tools: Google NotebookLM as your AI knowledge base, Notion as your productivity workspace, and ChatGPT as your thinking partner. Together, these 3 tools create a powerful personal AI system. The first step is creating your AI brain using Google NotebookLM. Go to NotebookLM and sign in with your Google account. Create a new notebook and name it something like My Personal AI Assistant. Now this is where the magic happens. Upload information that is important to you. This could include your goals, work notes, study materials, project documents, business information, or any reference files you use often. You can also paste text directly. NotebookLM analyzes your information and allows you to ask questions based on your own documents. This makes it feel much more personal than a normal chatbot. For example, you can ask, "What are my main goals for this year?" or summarize the key points from these notes. Instead of giving a general answer, it uses the information you provided. This becomes your personal knowledge center. The second step is creating your AI workspace using Notion. Go to Notion and create a free account. Create a new page called AI Assistant Hub. Inside this page, create 4 sections. First, daily tasks. This is where you plan your day. Write down your tasks and use Notion AI to help organize and prioritize them. Second, goals. Add your short-term and long-term goals. Ask Notion AI to break large goals into smaller action steps. Third, writing drafts. This is where you create emails, social media posts, scripts, and documents. Use AI to help you improve your writing and generate ideas. Fourth, research notes. Save important information you find and use AI to summarize and organize it. This page becomes your personal command center. Everything you need is in one place. The third step is setting up ChatGPT as your AI thinking partner. Go to ChatGPT and create a free account. ChatGPT is where you brainstorm ideas, solve problems, create strategies, and explore possibilities. One important tip: use memory and custom instructions features when available. Tell ChatGPT about your goals, your work, and how you like responses. For example, I am building a YouTube channel about AI. I prefer practical advice and free tools whenever possible. This helps ChatGPT give responses that better match your needs. Think of it like having a brainstorming partner available anytime. Step 4. Connect everything into a daily routine. Now let's connect everything. This is what turns 3 separate tools into one personal AI assistant. Every morning, open your Notion AI Hub. Review your goals, check your tasks, plan your priorities. When you need information from your own files, go to NotebookLM. When you need ideas, advice, or problem solving, use ChatGPT. When you need to write something, use your Notion writing section. For example, if you are a content creator, NotebookLM can store your research. Notion can organize your video ideas and schedule. ChatGPT can help you create titles, scripts, and improve your content. 3 tools, 1 simple system. The final step is improving your assistant over time. An AI assistant becomes more useful the more you customize it. Add new documents and information to NotebookLM. Update your goals as you grow. Improve your instructions in ChatGPT. Keep your Notion workspace organized. The people who get the most value from AI are not just using tools randomly. They are building systems around their goals. And that's how you build your own free AI assistant in 2026. 3 powerful tools, 1 simple workflow, and a personal AI system that helps you work smarter every day. Start with the first step today. Create your NotebookLM notebook and upload 2 or 3 important documents. Then come back and improve your system step by step. Comment assistant below when you set yours up. I'd love to know what you're building with AI. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the AI Edge, and share it with someone who wants to get ahead with AI. I'll see you in the next one.